It's a fairly warm afternoon for March, but the snow is still hanging on across the street where there's an old abandoned house, and I want to paint it with gouache, just going for the simple dark shape and trying to show how that yellow-white color of the paint is going to actually be a mixture that's fairly dark when I come to the painting. So let's get started. My watercolor and gouache paints are squeezed out on this metal tray directly below the painting surface. I map in the big areas transparently, paying attention to relative value or lightness or darkness. The house has to be a little darker. In addition to all the straight lines, there's some wavy lines of what's reflected in those old windows, and also the branches of the trees. These are ailanthus trees that have grown next to the house. There are vines climbing up the corner of the house, and the porch is held up by 4x4s instead of the old Greek Revival pillars that must have been there originally. The sun is now swung around to the side enough to illuminate the side of this old house. Must be from the early 1800s. It's been gradually falling into ruin over the years we've lived here. I've never seen anyone come or go from it. Here's the branches of the far trees against the sky, and a little bit of light touching the tops of the snowbanks. And the wires, electrical wires, and phone lines come to the house. And I'm going to put a dog walker in here. This house behind me looks abandoned, but it's not. As I've been painting it for a while, an old couple comes out of it and gets in their car to drive off. I guess the little lesson for me is that things that I thought were dead can spring to life unexpectedly. Did you just see the curtain move behind that yellow sign? I think there's still someone in there.